to the channel. This is Sunday morning. I'm drinking Red Bull today because it's like 6 a.m. right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday. Should be Sunday if you don't know. Today, behind me are two WRX, not two, but one of our WRX and our customer Dre's that we completely did the whole conversion, just like ours. So I'm gonna give a quick walkthrough real quick. Start right in the front, okay? Both of these, gloss black grille. Dre got these gloss black front lower grille. They had the cladding before, but we sanded all it down. Color match, not color match. Sand all the way down, gloss black, just like ours. And then he has the fog lights, which we don't have the fog lights. I did this comparison a while back before when both of these were in like the stage 2 form, I guess. This is the final form before you do any other body work. And in the front, we have our new custom plate delete. I'm sure you've seen the last video. We have these 2 giant holes from the factory license plate, but we made this little plate cover, 2 covers. Stay on double-sided tape, and then I need to reapply the tape. Better job reapply the tape. So this is available too, if you'd be interested, I think like $20. And then the V3 splitter with the new liner. He's been scraping the liner like for the past, and he's snapped too. He's about like 2.5 inches off the floor. So he got the new liner. We have the V6 with the red liner. So it's a little bit differences what you want to do. Gloss black grille, looks phenomenal. And coming to the side, paint match flares. You guys already know that. He also did the color match side skirts we did for him. Just like our car, looks great. I love the white. Like I told you guys before, white for me is, you know, shifts trees. Everything in the back. We also did the rear bumper, color match, gloss black accents, gloss black. We have all the paint match options on the website now, so if you're interested, you can get the whole kit done from us. You can ship your parts in if you want. I think the bumper, to ship the bumper side skirts, I believe it's like $4 or $5. Correct me if I'm wrong. Actually, I'm not sure for 100%, but you can hit us up, check our email, sales@aerofordynamics.com, and then we'll have one of the guys quote you. But anyways, on the back, we added the third brake light. Kevin at Ely Wraps did the third brake light, just like ours. He has the V2 rear diffuser. We have the V3 carbon diffuser, also the exhaust. So this is our prototype custom exhaust that we make and offer for the VB chassis. They're 4-inch double walled muffler delete style axle back, 4-inch axle back, 4-inch. This is a 4-inch axle back delete double wall, looks super sick, stainless steel. So if you're interested, hit us up, hit me up, I'll take care of you. I'll get you one of these set up. Come to the back, STI wing version 1. Version 2 wing is almost here. So for those that ordered, I think the shipment's coming in end of November, early December. So wait for those. Aside from that, fitment 18.9.5, 30 offset with a 255, 35, 18. Let me just cover it. Yes, I got my wheel specs right on ours. 18 by 10, okay. 30 offset with a 255, 35. So you can see, even though they're the 10 and the 9.5 is half-inch wider, but you can tell the stretch is a big difference. We had to raise the car up, and also we rubbed the crap out of our liner inside for I don't know how that happened, so we'll get that fixed. We have the window visors, which I'm gonna get them a set. So yeah, this is a quick rundown. You know, if you want to do your VBs, make sure to hit us up. This is like the perfect, I mean, I feel like it should have came from the factory like this, but you know, at the same time, it's fun for us to modify it too. And then yeah, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and get some roller videos and exhaust clips. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, okay? 10K wheels, man, 10K. 10K subs, a free set of wheels. Might be these, but I don't know. You don't know. We're gonna find out though. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. So catch you guys next time.
Yep. Yeah, 'cause people don't